Hi guys, my name is Joella and today I'm gonna explain to you how not to kill your room plants. So if you have plants inside your room and they keep on getting yellow leaves or just are looking really sad in general, make sure to watch this video. I have 5 tips for you and let's get started. Tip number 1. Choose the right spot for your plant. And with the right spot, I mean with the right amount of sunlight. Because not all plants do like the sun. Some prefer a really sunny place where they get direct sunlight for a couple hours a day. And if you have some darker spots where there's barely any sunlight and where it's not as bright, you can also choose plants like the monstera. It's this cute plant. They actually do good in dark spots as well. I have one just in the back of my room and it's quite happy up there. Tip number 2. It's about watering your plant. In general, less is more. Plants really do not like when they get too much water. They will drown in their pots and their roots will start to rot. The general rule, if you're not sure about watering your plant, just skip it. It's better to water less than more. Tip number 3. Choose the right pot for your plant. So we all like nice looking pots, but they're not always good. Especially when they do not have a hole in the bottom. Whenever you water them too much, it still happens once in a while. The water just stays within the inner layer. A solution is to keep the pots in their inner pot, if they do still fit in there. And then the water can just flow right out and you can throw it away whenever there's too much in there. These 3 tips should help you to keep your plant alive for a while. If you want to learn how to take even better care of your plant, and if you want to have the 2 remaining tips as well, go to the Radboud Instagram page for the full video and learn how not to kill your plants. See you guys next week.